Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenore, Makeup by Leo here on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning and continuing to support my channel. I truly appreciate you guys. I hope that you guys are enjoying my content that I have been bringing to you guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you have been enjoying the videos I have been posting lately. I will continue to change out here and there what it is that I'm going to be putting on my channel, just so you guys don't get bored with like the same old boring makeup tutorials. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and let's get started with the video. So I found this eyeshadow palette at Burlington for $7.99, guys. Look at this, $7.99. And I just love the color story. It has the color story here, but like you have to see the color story in person because girl, it's fire. It does come with a mirror, this palette, which I'm not really gonna try not to show, but this is the color story, you guys. That's what the shades look like. They look super beautiful, and I'm just like living for them. I just think they're so pretty. This is definitely giving me fall vibes, and this is called Olive View. This is the brand right here. It's from Kosmetics, but with like a K. I don't know. I kind of want to go with like a pinky look, but I kind of want to mess with the greens as well because, girl, I don't know. I'm kind of like in a green mood. I think I am going to do a green look. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna go over a little bit of the palette that I know of because I've looked it up on the internet and I can't seem to find this brand on there. If you go to Burlington, you will find this eyeshadow palette or this brand. They have several of their palettes, different color stories. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you some details on my end. Like, as I'm looking at it, I'll go ahead and tell you. So this eyeshadow palette has 20 matte shades, and then it has 10 shimmer shades. There's one that kind of looks like a metallic, but I'm not sure because it has kind of like these little, it has like a marbled effect here, so you can see right there. I'll go ahead and swatch it so that way we can see what it looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. This is what the shade looks like swatched. It's like just like an orangey gold type of shade, which is really pretty. I'm gonna swatch the whole palette for you guys so you guys can see what the entire palette looks like, because I know I did a review on the Cara Beauty Behind the Mask eyeshadow palette and I didn't get to do the swatches on the video, but I did do like a shorts, so that is on my channel, if you click at the top where it says videos on my channel, it'll take you to all my videos, and you can see like in my video section that I do have a short on the swatches of that eyeshadow palette. But anyways, so for me, this eyeshadow palette, like I said, it has 20 eyeshadows that are matte, and then the rest, to me, they're like shimmer metallics, I guess. Not so much metallics because I feel like they're more shimmer shades. I think that this is a really nice versatile palette. I've only used the green shades in here, and some of them, not all of them entirely. So I mean, I can't give you too much detail. I will continue to use the palette, and then I'll go ahead and let you know how I feel about it in the future. I know I do still owe you guys a video on the Michaela palette, a second part, so I will be coming out with that. It's just I've been trying to film other things. But I did say on one of my last videos that I did want to start incorporating other things into my channel besides makeup. I'm still going to do makeup, of course. Obviously, I'm doing a makeup video right now. But like I said, I still want to do like fragrance, and I still want to incorporate other things. Like, I don't want my channel to just be about makeup. So like, if you enjoy this kind of content, like where it's, you know, a little bit of this and that, like, go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you're enjoying like the videos that I'm bringing to you guys. I do have a few videos coming that I need to get up. I'm gonna try to post every day. If I can't post every day, I'll try to post every other day, just so you guys can, you know, get a feel of, you know, all the other things that I want to be filming and, you know, producing here on my channel for you guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me create this eyeshadow look, and I will be seeing you guys in a future video.